I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of waste management. In this session, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of waste processing. So, let's understand the basic meaning of waste processing. Waste processing is nothing but the treatment of solid waste after collection and before disposal. Why we are doing like that? Because we need to change the characteristics of waste. Some waste we cannot directly dispose. Before that, we have to change the physical features. Also, the processing includes like storage, separation, then volume reduction, similarly exchange, recovery of energy, resources, then physical, chemical, biological modification, and operation of metal recycling and salvage facility. So these are the major things which are comes under processing. So it is very essential. And before disposal, we need to have a better treatment so that some amount of material can be recovered. Apart from that, the features of the material also will be changed. So the convenient disposal will be taken place. The processing of waste helps to achieve the best possible benefit from every functional element of solid waste management. Better you can refer the block diagram of the functional block diagram of SWM. If you perform the processing, definitely the some amount of valuable items can be recovered. The combustion will be comfortable or proper. Then improving the efficiency of the solid waste management system. Ultimately, we can recover the valuable items, recover and reuse. We must have known the 3R concept. So we can adopt the 3R concept comfortably. And the solid waste includes paper, cardboard, plastic, glass, ferrous material, aluminum, etc. Such kind of metal can be easily recovered if you do the processing. Recovering, one of the example of processing, correct. Also, the recovering conversion products and energy. The combustible organic materials can be converted into intermediate products and ultimately that can be used for the energy purpose. So like while doing the combustion, so in between some energy can be recovered or retrieved. This can be done either through incineration, pyrolysis, composting, biodigestion, except combustion. So incineration, pyrolysis, we require only the partial temperature. We do not require like high temperature. So such cases, the recovery can be done very easily. Okay, depends on the like system or depends on the village, whatever it may be. So processing is ultimately before disposal of the waste, we are doing like finding out the valuable items and recovery and converting one kind of material into other kind of material for the best for the better disposal. Okay, these are the major stage which are included in the disposal. In the next like the section of fourth module, I'm going to discuss about mechanical volume reduction. I request you to pay the attention very clearly. I think whenever you are writing for the examination, you have to highlight the points very clearly. Then only examiner will understand what kind of answers the student has written. So like that, you have to plan well effectively for the syllabus. Apart from that, you have to cultivate like some kind of like activity nearby your premises. Like whenever the people are collecting the waste, you can give some advice also. So after studying this course, you can give some input the person those who are involved in the waste processing unit. So in the coming session, I'm going to discuss about mechanical volume reduction in detail. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.